to Cheshire Carpers. Today we're down here at Grey Mist, starting my new campaign. I've got the 2 rods out, managed to get out about 8 o'clock this evening. I've managed to find a low-lying weed. I've just stuck 2 chaddies over the top. I've put 5 sponge of chopped boiler with a bit of little dusting and some pellets. So we'll see how it'll go. Good morning. Shame to say, nothing come of last night. It's a very cold night, and yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm just about to put some sponge out. This is the bait I've been using. In there you have a crush boiler, active krill mix, a couple of chopped boilies, a couple of small grounded pellet, just a nice small mix. Sends the food signals through the water columns as it's dropping through. So I'll do that now. Fingers crossed, might have one this morning. Otherwise, till after another day. Right guys, flipped the rods back out. I had a recast, but he was at 13 wraps last night, and now I've put him at 16 wraps. And with the 16 wraps, I've got a proper crack down, so it's not low-lying weed anymore. It must be like clay or bit of gravel. So I've just put the 2 chods back out there. I'm going to put another 5 sponge over the top in a minute, as it's looking right now. There's nothing, no signs of fish. Still mist. I can't really see anything, no signs, no shows, but I've been put onto a spot off my feet, 16 wraps out, so hopefully should have one. Supposed to be warming up this week from like last night. Tried for last night. Right guys, session 2. Last time I didn't have any footage for you, so I thought it was no point. Keep recording, nothing. So last time, I'll run you through it now. I had a beef about 3 o'clock in the morning, ran out, it was a swan. I had nothing, misty morning, packed up early, got off. Right guys, I've not filmed it because it's dark, you wouldn't have seen much anyway, but I've got 2 rods out with 14 wraps, on 2 small Morbs pink pop-ups. I'll show you the bait in the morning. It is condensed manila and krill boiler with sweet corn, crushed boiler. So I'll show you it in the morning anyway. You can't see anything right now. It's really dark, but I've just got 2 rods and 5 bombs over the top of it right now. I might put another 5 out in the next 5 minutes or so. Just get some bait out there, and then I'm gonna get some tea myself and get in that bed because it's freezing. But this is session 2. Hopefully it goes better than last time. I need some more cameras and some lighting just so I can get you the footage, guys. Morning. No action whatsoever. Not a beep on them rods. They've been stationary all night. I put 5 to 6 bombs out of chopped boiler, sweet corn, a bit of crushed boiler, a bit of vanilla liquid last night. Nothing. I've even got one to the side margin with washed out boilers on. No action. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to get up, I'm going to spot some more baits out, recast them rods, and then hopefully should maybe get a morning bite. If not, session 2. Right guys, it's now 2:40. I've just had a screaming take on my left hand, my right hand rod, sorry. It's on a yellow little 10mm pop-up with a Medusa, about 5-6 maggots over the top on a cheddar. It just ripped off then. Looks like an upper double common. This is session 4. I'm down here with Northwest Carp Freaks, and I had 3 rods out. I wasn't going to film it because it's a social, but I can't believe I just had that one. Buzzing, absolutely buzzing. 2:40 AM and it ripped off. Buzzing, I was fast to keep in my bag. Buzzing. Yes boys, there's blood.
Fucking dropping half of the bait, little feed. Come on.
Scream. It's now 6:30 in the morning. Check this one. Nailed up. Absolutely nailed the cheddar. join me down here on the Mist, session 6. We're now in spring. I've not been able to do some filming, I've not been able to get on some sessions as much as I'd liked. So we're down here tonight on the Mist for another night. I have been told my target fish has to come out. Houdini at £27. I am campaigning this water for that one fish. Obviously I'm happy to take a few of the others, like a single scale that come out the other day at 28. These shoulders, the orange common. There's a few others that I'd like out of here. But yeah, today we're down here, session 6, 5 or 6 I think it is. I've just stuck 2 stiff hinges out. I am on this peg again. As you can see there, 2 rods, scopies, R4s. I have seen a few carp bosh out in some of these lily pads. Right here. So I've got one round about there and one there. So fingers crossed, hopefully we get one. I've just threw out some vanilla actives over the top of it and some of this mix, but what I did is I put them in little PVA bags and cast them out because I don't want to do any spamming. It's dead quiet, dead peaceful, and they're definitely all around these pads. Put some of that in with some PVA on a PVA bag and flick them out. Mesh bag, sorry, not PVA bag. Nuts. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Right guys, it's just gone 3 o'clock. It's absolutely bouncing down and the rod's just bust off. Looks like there's a big fatty in the net. So nice mirror. So unhooked it, got it slinged up, got the rod back out. Did check my left hand rod and it looked like a fish had done me through the night whilst I've been asleep. I must not have heard it. So I've just redone that rod as well. It was on a lily pad. It done me in the lily pads. So lost one, had one. Nice. It's in the bag, you'll see it shortly. I'm just going to sack it till 5, it's free now so it's not too long. Obviously you can't see anything right now. It's absolutely battering it down. So I'll keep you updated guys and I'll show you the fatty in the bag in the morning. Yeah. Well guys, it's now 5:30 and I've got another big chunk in the net. Check these out. Two big pearlers in there. Back on that one. Wow. I'd like to get up and take these photos. Get some video footage, get some snapshots. Got this. white pop-up stiff hinge. The right rod went twice, once at 6 o'clock, once at 3 o'clock, once at 5:30. Yes, getting £27 PB. Yes, yes. I don't know if you can see that off the camera, look. What a cat, PB. £27 caught on a white stiff hinge. Say, two monsters. Wow. Blown away, historical lake, honestly. Get in. Here's the rig that's been doing the do. So we've got helicopter set up, and an IQ2 leader. As you can see, it slides up and down. Got a bead at the top so it pops off any breakages. And we've got some IQ2 about 12 inch going down to ready-made chodette with some card or tungsten putty there. We've got some double 12mm to pick me choddy up because I was having trouble with it sinking, so that's how I've been presenting it. And it's been doing the day. The white one's done the damage today, but I'm just showing you the yellow one of the same setup. It's produced me a 27 and a 22 this session. So definitely does the business. And look at them snags. It's fought straight through all them snags, all them lily pads. A lot. No problem. To be quick on the rod, I've just had another on it. Just past them lily pads there. There she is in it. I wish I got the fight on camera. It was an epic fight. It was like up a double, maybe 20. But oh my god, what a fight. What a fight. Underneath the rod tip. The rod was bent round. Right underneath the rod tip. I'm gonna get it out now. Do some pictures. Get a weighed and that's 3 calves now. two in the early morning. And then 1. We are now on 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock now. Yeah, so that's 3 fish landed. She's a 20-pounder. 20 pound all day long. sun's on her. Scar wounds on the side. This is on flanking. Fish free. Obviously you've seen the rest with the 27 pounder. This is my best session yet. Oh, beautiful morning, spring morning, yeah. Caught on a slip day on the yellow pop-up as I showed you before. Let's get her back. I kept this till I broke my PB. Today's the day that I broke my PB. There you go. Guys, end of session, 3 fish landed, 1 lost, lily pads. This was session 6. I don't know how many more sessions I'm going to do on this, but I'm going to keep going to try to get that Houdini. Obviously it did come out not so long ago, so obviously I've broke my PB today at 27 pounds. Hopefully I should be able to grab a few more for you before they upload this video. Right, for the time being, it's time to get these rods in. Lovely little weed there. Right guys, it's the end of the session.